Yeah, man. John, Maran Key, we are go. Pirate just rob we. We have to build up one seal like. We don't have no gas. Man get shot too. Oh. See? Man get shot today.
Yeah, man.
So we have to do it. Brother this.
Real, man.
GM, turn around and look in the camera and say something.
Yeah, man, your boy then shot we and gone, man. Kill the boy.
We all like gas them.
you know? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, everything gone, man. See there?
Everything is strong enough faith and God, you know. Boy, so they are do. Seal we have to put up.
Beans.
And water seal we about give thanks.
Yeah, so we have to do it. The top all them have to tie up. See the captain around there today.
The man they say, they kill double flick down at St. Thomas, and not with St. Thomas, man. They could haul gas and take away food and everything, then take away. And gone, and left we are doing for now. See, we have everything. 27 miles in the road, we are taking time and go down and go in. Go in where we can call the coast guard.
See, man, in a real life,
Spinning man,
In a real life, everything them gone food. Fish gun them, everything gone. Fin, everything. Them take everything from we. Then left for dead out here. So I saw 2 boats away that travel. And then rob the first boat. We don't know if they can get none attack or we go up there and realize that rob we are going. We start run for make a little escape to come back and check for my friend them. We save them alright, but our friend them run left with after the man them done with them. See it, we don't know if they can get none gas from them or what they get from them or what. See it. See it, we out to see with it. So barely a salon. Barely a salon.
Beer pain in my hand.
Beer
Beer pain.
See.
Shot in my hand. I can't move. See it? Kill the boy then kill our power man. Yeah, man. Show them this. See it? Yeah, man. Tie up with the eyes or something, man. See it there? Go down for me. You understand? Yeah. Show them a cooler. Yeah, man. See there everything there, man.
Everything.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, just the mercy of God. Just the mercy of God, me I tell you still. Just the mercy of God, me. We're not dead and quick thinking and prompt action. We just use the tarpaulin and something we don't use we up fish pan and build a little sail like and a sailor go back to Jamaica. See there? And I have nothing, no gas nor there. All fish gone, everything gone. Wild open water. Yeah, man, we have to come make evidence here.
You see?
Bullet hole.
Bullet hole there.
No, ice box right there. See, ice box right there, see? Shot fly through here, so see him way. Shot hole. Yeah, man, the boy them kill us.
Black man, you step so.
Yeah, man, we're back from one.
Yes. This man goes on me think in my head, man.
Yeah, man.
Man, just go.
Yeah, man, the boy them both all a shot off from head, man. Big man thing in a real life. Sure. Yeah, man. I want to say, we could have boom up in a car when I gas back them, then shoot when I gas back them too. Yeah, man, then shoot when I gas back. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, them shoot all the gas back out. Well, them take it from us, yeah, man. Yeah, man. In a real life something. Then rob around 1 o'clock, so.
Yeah, around 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock, no around see time.
5.
No after 5, we come water. A jiff come down to Jamaica. Brother say something.
Yeah, man. Man, then deal with the rough. But anyway, me book them boy, me deal with them rougher. Yeah. So Jenny,
See all the little you there, the man tell the little you him to go over in the water.
So man, we jump out
So
in
him
the
to jump
water.
out in the water.
And when the man jump out in the water, dead, the man that dead.
Yeah, that's the mercy of God, yo. It's the mercy of God save it. Can't save it anymore, though.
Yeah. You have to do them and they just sticking out to kick.